Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign off for the Charles Schwab account. First, go ahead and go to the official App Store or your Play Store or the Charles Schwab website. Then search for Schwab on the App Store or Google Play Store. Then install it. Once installed, open the account and then tap on Get Started at Schwab and then click Open an account. Then choose the type of account you want, such as individual brokerage account or retreatment account, etc. And then once you've chosen the type of account you want, then enter your personal details including your full name, email address, and then your phone number and social security number. After that, create a secure username and password for your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or uploading identification documents. Once completed, review your details and submit your application. After approval, your account will be ready to use. That's how you sign off for your Charles Schwab account. Subscribe for more quick